puff puff past you on the highway because this BMW is running mint. No, really though, I bought this BMW for 500 bucks, smoked it. I found a leaking DISA valve, leaking breather or crankcase ventilation system, got that fixed up. This thing is running cherry and idles beautifully. If I didn't have a smoke machine, I could have sprayed down the engine bay with a can of brake cleaner and looked for an idle increase, but that would have just given me a general area and would have never showed me where the exact leak is coming from. Tell you what, as long as I have a shop, I will always have a smoke machine.